So today, meron tayong build. Meron siyang 14th Gen Intel 14700F, tapos B760 Tomahawk from MSI, T500 drive, at meron tayong 32 gigs of RAM, AK620 from Deepcool. So bakit 14700F yung ginamit nila? So, involve yung user sa video production. Kailangan natin ng maraming core para dun. Bakit din 32 gigs video production yung mangyayari? Maraming multitasking na gagawin yung system. So, itong drive na ilalagay natin, it's a T500 drive from Crucial. So, yung cooler natin, AK620. Ang dual tower cooler siya with 2, 4, 6 pipes. So, bakit hindi AIO kung 14700? So, the reason is, magra-run yung system 24/7. As much as possible, iiwasan natin yung mga high maintenance components. Pasok na pasok yung air cooler para dun. So, this is the MSI Forge 120A case, full-size ATX case. Good airflow, mesh front panel, tapos meron na siyang 6 pre-installed fans. So, yung power supply natin, it's a 850GL PCIe 5. So, it already has that 12-volt cable, yung 16-pin cables for the latest generation NVIDIA graphics cards. It's overkill for the 4060. But yeah, it's giving that upgradability in the future in case. Actually, first time namin magbibuild dito sa case na to. Hindi lang ako agree na hindi pa kasama yung standoffs para sa full-size ATX case. So, best if, suggestion lang, pag ATX board, lagyan nyo lahat ng standoff. Ito yung standoff. Yan. Standoff. Yan. So, yung trabaho ng standoff, magkaroon ng gap between yung case tsaka yung likod ng motherboard. That way, hindi magkakaroon ng contact yung solder lead sa case. Para hindi rin syempre masira yung motherboard mo. Yan, nalagyan na natin yung motherboard kasi nalagyan na natin yung standoff. So, yan, nagki-cable management na tayo. Parang pinaka-general rule lang naman namin dito sa cable management. Dapat malinis to. As much as possible, straight line. And also, dapat masarado mo na maayos yung side panel. And dami na rin natin. So, meron capture card yung build na to. They have multiple sources sa video out nila. Maraming camera, maraming monitors. So, kailangan nila ng capture card para sa lahat ng yun. So, yun, sama natin to sa build. So, yung graphics card, it's a RTX 4060. This one's from Ino 3D. Hindi naman nila kailangan ng masyadong malakas na graphics card. They'll just need that capability para mag-stream. And since we're using a 14700F, hindi natin mapapakinabangan yung QuickSync dito sa CPU na to. Yung NVENC, yung gagamitin natin, yung encoders from NVIDIA. So, hindi na natin kailangan ng malakas na graphics card. As mentioned, enough na to para dun sa use nila. And basically, that is it. If you want your own custom system, message us on Facebook and we'll recommend something for you.